Hello, this is Ida from XY Global, and today I will show you a story about the 0.8 mm hose. And a customer from the Europe once sent us a set of optical metal parts. He told that his previous supply could never machine a tiny 0.8 mm hose accurately, which caused assembly issues every single time. After review the drawings, our engineer assembly analyzes the assembling parts, redesigned the feature positioning, and performed multiple micro toe test cards. When the customer assembled the parts, he was shocked. I didn't know that the problem could actually be solved. Since then, whenever the encounters a difficult part, the first sentence has become, send it to XY Global. XY Global, you reliable mechanical parts. See you again. Bye.